Hello, welcome to next degustation. And what we have here? Two the same beers. No, they are not the same. They look different, huh? Different bottles. Is it only different bottles? No, it's not a different bottle only. It's a different brewery as well. Right, first when I came to shop in Lidl's, I've noticed this one. Oh, this is a new bottle, right? It's a new bottle. But then I thought, you know what? It looks like Shepherd's Neame bottles. And guess what? I was right. Because here it's a different head brewer. Right, on this one it's Jeff Drew. And here, Richard Frost. And guess what? This one is from Marston and this one from Shepherd Neame. So I was curious, will it be the same or it will be some differences between those two beers? Which both are Ruby Rooster from Hatherwood Craft Beer Company, 4 Lidl's. They have everything the same except bottles and little bit refreshed label. Crowns are the same. It's the same story on the back. This Ruby Rooster Ale is a bold and proud British classic using 100% British barley. A blend of pale, crystal and chocolate malts delivers a delicious toffee flavour, ensuring that this ale sits right at the top of the pecking order. Right? And everything else is the same. And it's still 3.8% ABV. And you know what? It suits the Shepherd's Neame very well because almost all the Masters Brewers choice is 3.8. Is it coincidence? I don't know. But definitely they changed the contractor for this beer. So I'm just wondering. Let's have a try both, right? It is only 1 month difference between them. This one is one month older than this one, right? So it's not a huge difference. Right, first the old one. Quite malty, some fruitiness. A little bit of hoppiness, but not so much. Right, let's pull it out. Right, very dark amber, some red flashes but not so much. I would just say that it's dark amber. Head beige, quite nice, small and medium bubbles, but mostly small. Looks very nice. The same aromas and a little bit of carbon dioxide. Okay, right. So let's have a try the Shepherd Neame. Okay, Shepherd Neame. I would say that this one is a little bit more lemony and refreshing in aroma, and this one is more sweet and chocolatey and caramely. This is a first impression, right? Right, carbonation, I think it's bigger. I would say that it's a little bit lighter. I will just add a little bit, maybe it's a quantity the beer in glass. Definitely this one is a little bit darker. Almost nothing from the glass. And it's a little bit lighter. Both are clear. It's okay. Right. So let's have a try. Nice caramel and toffee. Little bit of chocolate. Red fruit. Nice, right? Light body. Some lemon accents, toffee, caramel, some roasted notes, some nice bitterness, but everything is quite light. With nice carbonation, but not overwhelming. Bitterness, it's a combination between roasted notes and grassy hoppiness. It's quite nice. Right, this one. Carbonation is higher. It's more bitter. I would say it's more roasted notes here. Right. I think this one is a little bit more drier. Yes. And more watery. Yes. And I think more mineral than this one. But still is, you know, more or less the same. You have the same accents, but this one is drier, more thin, and little bit more mineral. And bitterness is it's higher. No, it's just the mineral water, I think, or the water what they use. I would prefer this one, but it's only my choice, right? If someone likes more bitterness, more dryness in beer, this one would be better. But the differences are small. Right, if you can, grab those two and compare, right? I'm just interested what you think about them. For me, this one is a little bit, you know, richer than this one. Yeah, a little bit more sweet, more fruity, and this one is more dry, more bitter. Yeah, little bit different. There are two different breweries, two different head brewers, right? Different water and different brew, actually. You know, it's a month difference. Even if it would be the beer from the same brewery, it could be a difference. Right, but the color is definitely different. This one is lighter. Right, So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it. Please subscribe my channel. And cheers.